Hello everyone, welcome to Dickson's Java 101 tutorial 15. And today I'm going to teach you how to do an if and else statement. What is an if and else statement? An if and else statement is similar to a switch statement. If something happens, you want to print this outcome. And else if is using the other ones like case 2, case 3, case 4. And then you have your else, which is if the user inputs everything else, the else statement will be printed. So let's get started. I'm going to use the example grades again. So I'm going to create a program. If I enter a percentage of my test, what grade should I get? So assuming that 90 and above is going to be an A, 80 and above is going to be a B, C, 70 and above is going to be a C, and 60 above is going to be a D. And anything above D is just going to be an F, okay, unfortunately. And in computer programming, as you can see, when we run a program, it goes from up to down. So we want to write a program that's saying if the percentage is greater than 90, you get an A. So we want to go from the highest to the lowest, up to down. So let's create one. So I created a project, imported the scanner, and I created a scanner in main. And now I'm just going to create my variable called int percentage. Now I'm going to ask the user to enter the percentage of their exam. Please enter your percentage of your exam. Please enter your percentage of your exam. Now we're just going to put an input statement. Percentage is equal to input dot next int. Awesome. Okay, so now we've used our if and else statement. If percentage is greater than or equal to 90, okay? If percentage is greater than or equal to 90, we wanted to print out an A. Okay? In computer programming, sometimes a lot of people like to put opening mustaches and closing mustaches, but since we're using if and else statement, that can be optional. So I'm not gonna put it for readability. And now, after your if statement, you want your else if to differentiate the if. So I'm going to put an else if percentage is greater or equal to 80. So the percentage is greater, my spelling is not good today, percentage is greater than or equal to 80. It's going to be a B. Okay, it's going to be a B. But now, what do you think of the third one? The third one is not going to be else if. It's just going to be a repeat of else if. So else the percentage is greater than or equal to 70. It's just going to be a C. And then we're going to have D, which is 60. D. Like I said before, do we have to write all the options? No. Do you need to write an option if someone gets 40? No. One simple way to sum up all the 10s, 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, you just want to put else. Anything else that is below 60 is just going to be an if, unfortunately. So as you can see, we put the highest number first. But the percentage is greater than 90 or equal to 90, so if it was a 95, it will be an A. And then it'll go down. If it was an 85, it will still be a B because it's greater than 80, but it is under 90. So unfortunately, that's a B. And then if it's greater than or equal to 70, greater than equal to 60, like that. So I see there's no errors at the moment. And let's see what happens when I run the program. Everything looks great at the moment. Please enter your percentage of your exam. So assuming I got a 95, awesome, I got an A, and the program self-terminates. I'm going to run the program again. I'm going to try a 65. What is that? Oh, you get a D. The program seems to work. If I assume it's a 40, that should be an F. F. See? Awesome. One more time, I'm just going to be maybe an 86. That should be a B. Awesome. So just a recap, this is an if and else statement. This is a very, very useful tool. You're going to use a lot of if and else statements and switches. I kind of want to do the switches first because I like using switches, and if and statements is very useful as well. And in my next tutorial, I'm going to compute lottery numbers and print out the outcomes using if and else statements. So please understand this, and then I'm going to show you how to apply it in a more advanced version. Thanks for watching and have a great day.